Welcome back to Drinking It In. I'm your host, Chris Casara. We are here to help you know more and drink better. And I'm sitting in the office today just, giving some thought to my 2021 goals. Goals as far as, having some drinks goals going into the year. Whether that's wine, whiskey, Amaro, or just cocktails. I think it was good, to give it some thought and lay out some goals so that, maybe you'll do the same. And then also just to give you a little preview of some of the things that that you should be expecting to see from the channel. So these goals are in no particular order, but I have 5, I think, that I've thought through pretty well. And here goes. So goal number 1, learn more and drink more Bordeaux. Now that's going to include red wine, that's going to include white wine, and you're going to see a bunch of Bordeaux content on this channel. I think the wines are so delicious, but there's so much to know, and I think we're going to make Bordeaux cool again. I don't know, maybe there's a tagline in there, but probably shouldn't have gone there. Okay, goal number 2 is to go to some concerts this year. Goal number 2 is to explore Amaro and, further explore Amaro, because I do explore Amaro. I have a lot over the last 5 years, but culminate that exploration with a masterclass for you guys. So you can come in one day, sit down, and we'll go through at least like 5-7 Amaros. Big old class. And you can always refer back to it for years and years to come. That's goal number 2. Goal number 3 is to drink less overall, right? So I think given the pandemic, the fact that I moved, the fact that I lost a job in there, in between, there's a lot going on in this particular year, and I think I drank too much, right? I didn't go overboard, on a daily basis, but when you look back on, in theory, that the habits that I developed, right, where that 4 o'clock bell rang, time for a cocktail, not good. Now, thankfully, I've gotten past that. But I think overall, I'm going to drink less and plan things out a little more, right? So that when I am having a wine, having a cocktail, or even purchasing a given bottle, I'm going to do it more thoughtfully. So that's number 3. Number 4 is to drink a lot more Greek wine. So Greek wines are they're very underappreciated, right? Now, I think part of that is because they're hard to pronounce, they're unfamiliar, but they're incredible. And so this is going to go for whites and reds. You're going to see a bunch of Greek wine content, and that is going to be, again, that's going to benefit you because the wines are going to be reasonable, they're going to be delicious and amazing, and you're going to thank me. You'll thank me after you see some of those videos. Might even do like a Greek wine masterclass. I'm liking this idea of the masterclass where you sit down there and taste through a whole range of things, whether it's wines or spirits, and and just really give you jump a lot of knowledge on you in one session. And I think, so number 5 is going to be to drink more sherry. I don't know if there's a master class following, but I've had a few sherries this year, had a few sherries last year, had a few sherries probably the year before, but it's never been a focus. Right? And frankly, it's hard to find. But I'm going to seek out the different styles of sherries and dive deep into sherry. Some of those sherries, they're rich mahogany. Sorry. So those are my wine goals for this year, or this coming year, for 2021. Drinks goals for 2021, because Amaro is not a wine. Hopefully I have you doing the same. I'd love to have you tell me what some of your drinks goals for 2021 will be. Throw them in the comments, and maybe maybe there's some show ideas that come out of that, because I'd like to, not only I'd like to meet my goals, but I'd like to help you meet your goals. So thanks again. Everyone have a happy, safe holiday season, whatever that means, right? Whether you're going home for the holidays or whether you're staying put because, the world is, a strange place right now. I'll see you in 2021.